motivation. I see the fun doesn't wanna stand up while I'm trying to rap, man. But it's cool, I'm gonna get my rap out. It don't matter what you're doing, man. I'm still out in depth, so coming out 2020. Yeah, you better watch out for the old mixtape, man. They say he don't do it again, man. It's been a long time now I'm back again. Young Dexter Motivation, you know the name. I ain't even gotta say nothing. Yeah, just keep on moving, keep on cruising, keep on pushing for the 509 and 509's on my bag, basically, yeah, rap it through the floor. Let's say you know I do it till I D-I-E. Yeah, you know your Dex, you all down with me, you down with Trice D. And if you down with this, down with the D. Yup, that's Haiti, that's where I'm coming from. If you don't know where that is, let me tell you, son. Yup, man, bullets going off, police investing in the streets with the army of the government, man. We don't know what is happening. If you from Haiti, you probably know what I'm saying. But it's cool, man. Shout out to all my Haitians trying to make it in the poverty. Young Dexter, man, I'm in the streets, freestyle with it. No more riding, man. I ain't got no time for riding going, man. Cause I'm on another movement every day. You see me, I'm doing something else, man. Everybody I see, Dex, why you doing so much? Man, I say, nah, I ain't doing enough, man. I better get to work, cause I was cool on this planet, man. Get to work, man, what you work? Man, I wanna see you on my ass, man. I ain't got no ass 31, so you gotta pull on the work, man. I had it all, but it crashed, man, like the earthquake came down, crashed. 200,000 people died 2010 in Haiti, man, they still show good, man. So I'm going back in Haiti, trying to make a change and different packing the children in power, the community, man. Yeah, trying to put it there. And all the capacity, got it all in there. Yeah, motivation music, freestyling, man. Young Dex, let the beat go. You put all these stuff together and you write them, and it become a song. Shout out to all of them who made it like that. Yeah, mais Haïti, ça qu'a fait. M'pap jamais au man, a fait en fête. Mais en Haïti, et on joue, man, pour nous changer. Mais m'bagage dit, man, gouvernement a changé. Bagaille a changé, building a développé, l'hôpital a développé, l'hôpital a développé, tout le monde va rien côté. Ou tout le monde à l'hôpital a checké qui ça, yo gen gade gunmen la mouri, mais pas gen yon moun qui ka aidé.
Just imagine.